Step over here and check this out. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
We've never had a machine this empty. This is like the first time. Like, look at the machine. Oh my God, look at this. This was all from 1 week. Oh my God. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a great day. You guys might be like, Jaime, where are you? Are you in Alaska, Colorado, Canada maybe? Nope. We are in the beautiful, hot, humid state of Texas. So for everyone that doesn't watch the news, this past week Texas got a giant winter storm. As you guys can see, the roads were frozen, people's power went out, places were flooding, and the worst part was that there was a 100-car pileup literally down the road from us.
The icy roads creating an early morning nightmare, a pileup of more than 130 vehicles, sending 65 people to the hospital and leaving 6 others dead.
So because of the winter storm, we haven't been able to go out and fill up any machines, service any locations, or do anything else to run our vending machine business. And it's crazy because since people aren't going out, that means that it was actually a very, very busy week for us because everyone's only buying stuff out of our machines. For example, the hotel that we have, it actually broke the record on making the most money in one single day. It made $160 in one day.
Look at that.
What is it?
6%.
6%.
Out of 100.
Out of 100. The machine is 6%. There's maybe like 5 bottles in the machine. But anyways, for today's video, we're gonna be going to a couple locations that are running low to fill up the machines, like the Motel. But first, we're gonna be going to Walmart and Sam's to buy all the product because we're kind of running low. But with that being said, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. If y'all do, go down below, drop a like, and also leave a comment because we are going to be giving a shout out to somebody at the beginning of every single video. Today's shout out is going to be going to David T. So shout out to you. Again, if you want a shout out, go down below, leave a nice comment. But again, let's get right into the video.
Let's go.
Alright everyone, so before we leave right now, we are getting all the product ready that we already have, like the drinks and the snacks. And even though it looks like we have a bunch of stuff on the shelves, like we're actually kind of low.
We don't have that much variety, that's why.
No, especially because we need like the big red. We have how many do we have? We have 12. We need Mountain Dew, we only have 6. The Pepsi, we need like 18. We need 18 root beer.
We're just gonna have to double up on everything, baby.
Guys, by the way, we actually put this machine on location. We put it in the school, and fun fact, we took it out because it didn't do good. That's why all the stuff is still in the machine.
Baby, this was the hell.
Guys, look how strong she is. She can pick up a whole crate full of drinks by herself.
Baby, this is the first time.
You liar, it's empty.
What? Why you gonna expose me?
There's nothing in there. You ready?
Yes.
This is the fun part, guys. Alright everyone, so we made it to our second home. You guys already know, Sam's Club. We're gonna go inside, grab all the drinks, all the frozen food, ice cream that we need for the machines, and then we'll head to Walmart. Ay, mamas, what's the bad news?
Baby, there is nothing. No type of pastry.
Guys, so the biggest problem is that there's no pastries in Sam's, and that sucks because pastries are one of our best sellers. But besides the honey buns, I mean, we have those, the muffins. Look, we got these, but I feel like these are kind of small. No, how much are they? They're 50 cents. Oh look, there's an open box over here.
That wasn't us, by the way.
Yeah, it was probably you. How
No,
big is it?
wasn't.
Yeah, hell no, look at this.
Bruh.
This is tiny.
Baby, I'm gonna go to jail.
Oh.
I bet those are good.
Damn, it looks like there's no water. Is there any?
Baby water. They're in like tiny bottles. Bien chiflado.
Estoy zapateando.
A ver.
Guys, so again, we did buy some ice cream for the frozen machine. We usually...
I know. You just polluted the whole air.
Shut up. So we usually use these to put the ice cream in the food, but I feel like it's so cold outside, it's probably fine. I'm still gonna put them inside just in case, but...
Really? It's not even necessary.
I don't know, just to be safe.
You should have shown them the soda. It froze up.
Oh my god, it's like a weapon. Oh.
Why would you do that?
Noticias Telemundo con Julio Vaqueiro.
Hey everyone, this is Jaime with Telemundo reporting live from Texas at a Walmart. Real quick, we want to show you guys how over dramatic Texans are. Check this out. As you guys can see, there is currently no drinks available in Walmart. There's no meat, no chicken, no nothing.
No
and
milk?
all of this is just because we got like a couple inches of snow. But anyways, right now I want to find a customer. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I talk to you for a few seconds?
For what?
So we're doing an interview with the customers here. Are you currently doing any shopping?
No, there's nothing here.
Can I ask, have these times
that you
So now we're just stuck with the drinks that
No,
we have.
but for real, being serious, you know, my prayers go to all the people in Texas that lost family members, lost homes, lost cars, property, because I know millions and thousands of people lost a bunch of stuff. People died. So again, my prayers go to everyone. But I mean, yeah, we came to Walmart to buy all the drinks that we needed, and obviously they don't have anything. So now we're gonna have to leave the machine half empty.
Well, they have 7-Up.
You can tell that even in the middle of a crisis, people don't like 7-Up.
7-Up and RC and Canada Dry.
That's what people don't like. Well, actually, I mean, we did need one Canada Dry. Okay, so the bad part was that they didn't have any sodas, but the good news is that they do have some ice cream. So they have the ice cream sandwiches, the crunch, and the fudge bars, which is good. We need a bunch of these, like 10 of each. Alright everyone, so we made it to our first location, the Motel. This is the one where the drink machine is so empty. I already saw the drink machine and it looks like we're barely dropping it off for the first time because there's almost nothing in the machine.
It doesn't even look like 5%.
No, it doesn't. But right now, as y'all can see, I am filling up the frozen machine because the ice cream was kind of melting already. So I'm gonna hurry up and do all this, put the food in, and then I'll show you guys the rest of the machines.
Chuck it to the other side. It's all I just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked. Now we got it, we super rockin'. Make your little girl wanna dance, see her booty poppin'. Heard you talking all about it, I really got it. Heard you talking all about it.
Okay, so now that we're done with the ice cream machine, are you guys ready to look at the drink machine? You guys are? Okay, now step over here and check this out. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
We've never had a machine this empty. This is like the first time. Like, look at the machine.
This is bad, baby. This is really bad.
There's almost no drinks. There's like 6, 7, 8. There's 8 drinks, and obviously we can tell what people don't like. You guys probably don't remember the last time we showed this machine, but we have a lot more variety now than last time. Like back then, I think we only had maybe like 2 ice cream bars, ice cream sandwiches, and like icy pops, and I think that was it. But this time we did put the chicken sandwiches, we got the pizza Uncrustables, which did good. There's only 1 roll. There's actually only 1. We should have bought some more. We got the chimichangas, the M&M cookie sandwiches, the Minion, the Haagen-Dazs. Alright, but with that being said, we're gonna fill up the drink and the snack machine. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little B-roll, and cue the B-roll.
like, what's up, guy? I was down so bad, I took those L's. I was like, what, guy? Now I'm up on my way to the bank, I'm laughing, ha ha. Now I'm up on Billy here, thinking hater, rah rah. Okay, moment I fade, I gotta go away. Okay, pressure on me if you can't make no mistakes. Okay, I remember time back down on Fifth Block, never switch sides. Free PC until he touchdown. Chuck it to the other side. It's all love, just know we down to ride. No new faces, no strangers vanish. I remember we were down, we never panicked.
Okay everyone, so real quick, I want you guys to go down below and let me know if you guys have ever tried this. It's a Coca-Cola with coffee. It's a brand new drink that barely came out in the US like a couple weeks ago, but apparently other countries have been having them for years. I actually posted this on my Instagram story to see if people liked it or not, and so many people said that this was disgusting. So many people, literally almost everyone. So again, let me know if you guys have ever tried it. If you did, is it good? I think those are limited time also, like in the US. Guys, we had to get these cheap, flimsy ass bottles from Walmart because Sam's didn't have any, and these are so lame. I really feel like they're gonna get stuck in the machine. We still got the Fiji though. They're gonna be drinking this water like this.
Boy.
Like that. I think for the Fiji, we might have to charge, what, $2? $2.50?
Yeah.
Alright y'all, so we are finally done with the drink machine. As y'all can see, we do have some empty slots because again, we didn't have all the drinks. We actually had to double up on a lot of them, like the Squirt, the Fanta, Sprite. But with that being said, before I close this machine down, you guys already know what time it is. I'm gonna open up the bill acceptor and show you guys how much is inside. Now, I'm not gonna collect the money just because I do pay commission here, so we only do it once a month. But I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna show you guys basically, you know, how much it is, and then I'm just gonna leave it here. So, you guys ready for this? All right, here we go. Let me get a quick drum roll. 3, 2, and... Oh my god. I think this might be the first time we have a full bill acceptor, is it?
Yes, that's like all the way to the back.
We've been close before, but this is pretty much full. Like, you cannot fit anywhere else. Now, I know some of you guys might be like, oh, Jaime, you're such a liar. There was a $5 bill in there before, and yes, guys, I know somebody came and bought something and they gave me a 10. So that's why there's a $10 bill. But yeah, look at this.
Can you even take it out with one try? Oh, I really thought you wouldn't.
Just like I said, we pay commission here, so we only collect it once a month. So I just leave it here, and at the end of the month we count it, and then we show the owner how much it is, and we give him the commission. Alright guys, so I just finished changing the prices on the ice cream machine. I had to flip some items around, but before I close the machine, you guys ready to see how much the ice cream machine made now?
Let's see it.
Not bad.
A lot more than what it usually makes.
This actually, you know what? This is actually really good for the frozen machine. There's a few 5s in there.
Okay.
All right, last but not least, the snack machine. Look at that. Wait, it's about the same as the frozen machine,
It is like back to back.
Look at this. Of course, we got a few 5s. We're always gonna be getting 5s here at the motel. Ooh, big muscles! Big muscles! Big muscles! Why are you so serious?
How can you even tell I have my mask on?
Exactly. Alright guys, so we're done with the first location, the motel. So now let's move on to the second location. Hey everyone, so we made it back home. I know I said in the beginning of the video we were gonna go to 2 locations. We went to the second location, but they didn't let us inside because another patient had COVID. And it sucks because the machines are empty, so who knows how long it's gonna take before they let us go back inside. So again, I know you guys want to see us fill up machines, but I mean the motel was good enough, no?
Yeah.
But with that being said, that's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Again, we didn't collect the money from the motel, but I know you guys have been waiting for a full collection video. We still want to make a video where we go to every single location and collect money from every location, but every single month we just keep getting more and more locations. So it's just like, when do we do it, you know?
We have to get a bigger van first.
And a bigger van, because there's no way we can fill up. I mean, it's gonna take days. Because in one day, we can only fill up, what, like 4 locations?
Yeah.
Because the van is so small. So until we get a bigger van, or unless we just make the video in like multiple days, that's going to be the only way. But anyways, before we end the video, I do want to say that next month, I will be launching a brand new business. Of course, it still has to do with snacks and drinks. I'm going to be selling stuff like this, and this. It should be launching next month. I'm not sure exactly what date, but if you guys want to stay up to date and get behind the scenes, then go follow the Instagram page at Exotic World Official. So make sure you guys go and follow the page, because we are going to be doing monthly giveaways, mystery boxes, where we just put a bunch of stuff in and send it to one of you guys every single month. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.